as you can see, guys, I'm already inside my Kajabi. So here from the left side, you have navigation menu. If you didn't use Kajabi or you want to try Kajabi before you become a paid member, you have a 30 days free trial from me. So link for a trial is under this video. And after, when you become a paid member of Kajabi, you will get my free course, a secret sales strategy that I'm using for my email marketing. So you will get my best converting email template. So ready to use, you just replace with your digital product, whatever you are offering. And of course, you will get my secrets, how to build the perfect strategy for 5 to 7 days once your lead comes to your in your email sequences. So it's a really useful course and guide to help you from a beginner to even an expert in a short period of time. So for the purpose of this video, I will just close my camera so you can focus more on what I am doing here. Just a moment. So here on the left side, when you log into your Kajabi, you will see, as I said, navigation menu. So you will click on products, and then you click on courses, and this will open. So click here, get started. So when you click, it will open this window. Here on the title, you can type the name of your course. For example, I am someone who like to run and to prepare for half marathon and to run half marathon from Balkan to Europe and everywhere, traveling and enjoying with my friends because I'm earning money online, working on social media, and I have already built my successful business before. So I have a lot of time to create and to enjoy with my family and my friends. That's why, for example, we can create a course or how to run from 5 kilometers to 21 kilometers to half marathon distance, especially for people who want to improve their running techniques or etc. But for example, we can use this title as a course. For example, go from 5K to half marathon in just 12 to 16 weeks. So you can create any course that you like, any passion that you have about something or a knowledge about something. So you can always change the title of your course. So this is just for example. And here down you can write a brief description, or if you don't know how to write the best possible, the thing is that here when you write a brief description, based on that description, Kajabi AI will build your course, your modules, your lessons. So here you can go on ChatGPT, for example, and create a brief description and put inside of this form. I will just grab and drop here a text that I have write for you. For example, this one. So the brief description will be a step-by-step expert design training program to help you build endurance, prevent injuries, and confidently cross the finish line. So this is a brief description of a course that this AI inside Kajabi will build for us. So we click here, you can click here next. And here you can choose primarily colors, and as colors, you can always change this, but you can just click here and change any color that you like to have. For example, this is for the buttons. They can be maybe white, whatever, or even black. You can choose the color that you prefer the most, that is for you most like. Let's say I like white color, to be honest, but you can always change that. Even if you like to change the colors or you want to use some other colors, there are cool websites free on the internet that you can find, like a colors with the double colors.com, and you can grab a code of specific color that you want, and you can put inside Kajabi or put it here in when you press this button, and then here's the code you can paste here and it will show up here. So you can change anyway. You can always change the colors that you want. Here on the bottom side, there is a thumbnail image that you can put for your course, or you can just create it with Canva and then put inside. But you can always put this later. So press next. And here we can put, is it this course, is it free or is it paid? But for example, for purpose of this lesson, we will use this free option. Just press next. Just take a couple of seconds. And as you can see, Kajabi AI is already building our course with the modules and the lessons, and in a couple of seconds, it's already ready. So as you can see down, the modules are ready. So when we open, there are 3 modules. So building a strong foundation, the second module, injury prevention and recovery, and third one, increasing your distance. This is really cool. So let's open and see the lessons. So here we have 3 lessons in the first one: creating a running schedule, understanding the basic nutrition and hydration. So he understands everything what he needs, even better than maybe many trainers. So here we have an injury prevention and recovery module with the strengthening exercise, warm-up and cool-down routines, recovery techniques, and the bottom from 10K to half marathon, from 5K to 10K, and maintaining motivation. This can be used as a roadmap for you to see which type of topics you can create. So basically, if you don't know exactly how many modules, what modules to create, and which topics and lessons, this will always be a good guide for you. But what is my advice is always do not create many modules or hundreds of lessons. Always create something that is absorbable, so that is easy to learn, easy to understand, and the easier it is for people, and the better, of course, presentation you have, the people will have more benefits from it. So here on the left side, I will also show you the offer. What Kajabi is good at, he also create automatically the offer here. So you see, before, when I was Kajabi, when I was using Kajabi from the beginning, like 3 years ago, you needed to create this manually. But now Kajabi, from the last year, 2024, he is doing this everything with AI. So it's so simple to create. So here we can click, and when you click on pricing there, you can set up your price. But you need to know, you need to connect your bank account with your Kajabi, so that you can charge and collect the payments, of course. Here you can upsell. For example, if you can offer them some guide or something, some plan or meal plan or whatever, you can always upsell, create upsell and downsell to get more money. And here on settings, when you click, you can enable this option like a send as a gift at checkout, so people can buy this course and send to their friends as a gift. It's really great. It's the new option that Kajabi have. Kajabi improved a lot every single day. He's improving. But what I like about Kajabi is that whatever new things they're creating, they don't charge their members, or they don't charge new users with changing the price. So the price is always the same. It didn't change too much for the last 3 years, at least as much as I'm using Kajabi. So here you can enable some of these options. For example, get notified when a purchase is made. So maybe you like to get notifications when you make a sale. This is really, really great stuff. To be honest, I turned that off because I had all these years hundreds of notifications every single day that I'm getting selling my digital products, or even freebies or guides or everything. So this can be sometimes annoying. So you can turn that off or on, whatever you want. And here you can activate affiliate commission for your offer. For example, maybe people can get some benefits, some percent of the from commission if they promote your course, etc. So you can always have this enabled if you want. If you don't want, that's okay. So here, click also on Edit Checkout Page. And here we can change everything. So, for example, on page content, you can change the text, the offer title. Here you can change text, whatever you want. You can even add here on the what you will get. Maybe you can write benefit one or whatever you want to give them. Like you can even give them, or maybe you can give them some guide or whatever you can give them, whatever you want, whatever you think that people will get with your program. So here you can also change the text on the bottom. You can put their term of use or privacy policy or a refund policy, what is really important to put down so people can know and understand the refund policy. Here you can also add a video. You can have it in your checkout page, but to be honest, I don't prefer to have any video on the checkout page because the longer it takes for people to purchase your product, the less conversion you have. So make it just simple, clean, and easy. And yeah, here on the bottom you can post testimonials of your products. Maybe if you don't have a testimonial from this course, maybe that's your first course, you can always put testimonials from people who already had some experience with your works before, or you can even create a beta testing group for your digital course. For example, like 10 people who sign up before you even launch this course, and after that you can collect testimonials, improve your course if it's necessary, and then change and then put testimonials on your checkout page. And this is really great for getting more trust and credibility of people. So you can press save and we can go back. So not only that Kajabi have already built our offer page, he also built our landing page. So let me show you here. So you go on websites and you go on landing pages. And here, as you can see, it's already in draft. Go from 5K to half marathon in just 12 to 16 weeks. This is pre-sale landing page. We will open this. So as you can see, you don't need to be tech savvy or to have a knowledge and experience creating even sales copy. So Kajabi can do everything for you. So here, as you can see, they already built conclude a half marathon just 12 to 16 weeks. Try generic training plans and fail it, blah, blah, blah. So all of this stuff you can change. You can add photos. You can change the size of this column. So here on the right, you can put how wide you want to be. Like keep it like simple. This one, you can always remove that. Even if you don't want here these sections, you can click and you can remove all of these sections. So here, and you can remove them. And also this one, like for example, this form, it can be wider. You just put the bigger one, so you see, you keep it small, like 5 or 6 columns. 5, the same is for text. You can also put this on top of the form, so put it wider, the top, or you can even change this one, again, like to be wide. It depends of your taste, what you like, how you want it to be. So here on the bottom, he already built the frequently asked questions, so it also with text. So do I need a pre-running experience? And he also given answers, which is really great. So while some running experience is beneficial, our course is designed to accommodate various fitness levels. We provide a step-by-step guide to gradually increase your endurance and distance. So this is really great. So you can always change this text. You can always change this text and add some extra text, whatever you want. So basically you know if you're creating a course or topic about the topics that you understand, you always know the questions, possible questions from your experience that people are asking, so you can create it and give it answers in advance, so you don't need to answer the messages that people are sending on that. So here you can change the copywriting. For example, when you become a paid member, you can brand it as your. So you can remove this Kajabi branding and put your own from your own logo, your business. So everything can be changed. So even here on top of this logo, you can select the image that you have. So upload it here or select from the recent files that you have built. Because when you have these recent files, Kajabi is collecting each photo that you are uploading in their platform, so you can easy access to them, because maybe you delete it sometimes from your computer, but you need it, and then you go to select recent files and you can find it. It's really useful. And here you can generate images with AI also from Adobe Stock. So this is really powerful, but this you need to connect with your Adobe profile, so he can make AI pictures for you. But you see, it's so simple to use Kajabi. You don't need even to be an expert. You just need to know how to use even ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you can make a structure of the modules, of the lessons, what you want to talk about. And then after, it's up to you to record using a simple like Zoom. You can record. Zoom is even free for 45 minutes of recording. Each day you can record the lessons, and then you can upload those lessons, or you can use some other tools. Kajabi also have options to record inside Kajabi module, so you can use that to record the videos, or you can use Loom or Zoom. Those are really great stuff to use and tools to use for your digital marketing business. Let me show you really quick Kajabi plans that you can use for your digital marketing business. So here, what I like about Kajabi is that recently they started with this Kickstarter plan for beginners. So he's only $89 a month, if you pay per month, but if you pay annually, it's $71. So this is really affordable anyway. So in this plan, you can have one product, one website, one community, 7,500 emails, unlimited landing pages, Kajabi AI, which is really good. So from the first month, this is my recommendation. When you use this program, you can, when you start to make money in the first month, you will after just upgrade and get this plan. But it's my recommendation after Kickstarter to use any of this basic or a growth plan. I use this growth plan, which is for me because I have more digital products, and this growth plan have a 24/7 support almost all day. Every day you have affiliate program, you have a custom domain because maybe you want to brand yourself and use your own domain. You can put your logo, etc. And here, what is really great is that compared to the price that you, even if you go to monthly payments, it's $199. But when the right strategy, from the first month, you will pay this from your products or from your courses, etc., that you're promoting on social media or even on YouTube, whatever. This money is really nothing compared to the offers or compared to the tools that Kajabi have everything inside. Because when you host your website on other platforms, you need to pay for domain. Here, for example, if you use any of these courses, you can have a domain from Kajabi. So you can put your domain, for example, digital rule or whatever, and extensions have from Kajabi. But if you want to have a custom like a www.yournameyourdomain.com, then you need to have a growth plan, but you don't need it if you don't want. You can just use a Kajabi basic plan. With this, you have 10,000 contacts, unlimited marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, Kajabi AI Creator Studio, and you can connect third-party integration. So this is really great course. For the monthly payments, it's really also affordable, or even for annually. But if you are not sure about which packet to use, which of these offers, you can always try trial, Kajabi trial. You have a 14 days, Kajabi is offering like 14 days free, but if you use my affiliate link, you can get 30 days. So instead of 14, you can use 30 days Kajabi, you can start making money, and after that, when you start making money, you can just basically get your Kajabi for free. So in the first 30 days, I'm sure that you are going to make. So if you use my Kajabi affiliate link, you will also get my free course or secret sales strategy that I'm using for my email marketing. You will get my templates and you will get my exact steps, what you need to do, how to organize your email marketing strategy in the first 5 to 7 days to ensure that you are getting conversion. So all of that you will get after you become a Kajabi member. So you don't need to be, you can take any of these parts. So you can start the Kickstarter, which is my recommendation. And after, when you make a sales, after you can always upgrade to Kajabi Growth or Kajabi Basic. So any of these offers. So I hope, guys, that you have learned something today. And if you have any questions related to this topic, just put me down in the comments. And of course, we see each other in the next video.